Hello, thank you for joining me here at African Professor One. One more time, this is your chief linguist, chief spokesperson, African Professor One. Subscribe and share and hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to get into. One more time, this is unscripted forum. It's freestyle. When I finish, it's already done. That's it. No editing and everything. That's how I want it. One more time, African Professor One, one spokesperson, like and share and everything. Now, I have a lot to say. Until then, come on, person me dinner for Asantehene or 24 or 62 about an auditorium. No, obi and say, I'm so bringing about or unveil and or introduce you to the whole country and I say to the world. Until then, come on, the matter to say Asantehene unveil a world-class auditorium at Manhyia Palace, and the haters are confused, are dead, silent, and confused. Let me repeat it again. Let me repeat it. Let me repeat it. You see, Asantehene unveiled a world-class, state-of-the-art auditorium at Manhyia Palace, and the haters are dead, silent, and confused. Why am I didn't make us? Asantehene will be, world-class auditorium as a large place bit my call be meeting a cassia name event no near the day world class one. Oh, Manhyia Palace inside. Now haters no more got Asantehene in general near the day. Oh, dead, oh, my cold when once, oh, my dream, you may say, how? I don't know how could he pull up this surprise at okay, because when you build a normal DC one, one more. And then we show or catch him for you. I said, what baby you are no? I boss or can't you be ano? May you name problem me too. Once the construction workers in be out. In the Ghana for time we no, I will be will be so actually the whole world. And I'm on for who says, so any friend say leadership that is based on action rather than words. Leadership, pragmatic leadership. Leadership, so obey ya no. No jaw numa obe near the asako form, near free bia, near sinkonya, near ye marching band, police force soldier for about governments, that's what they do. They do that every day, so at the end of the day, no, almost 30 actually 1 man, 2 man, no more about that project. Say you could be that they be happy, past government, present government, that's what they do. And at this point, I hope a lot of people will emulate, will copy, will look at up to Asantehene. The pragmatic leadership I will show, towards, the construction of the ultra-modern auditorium at Manhyia Palace. Sapa pepe. We see we are man 40 or more billions. Hey, some. And ya bicycle. Ya bicycle. So, Sika, when cracker now on what Bob will be an old yes, someone. Now, it is said we should be new entertainment pundits, TV soon. They can say, Asantehene unveiled or say, say auditorium be generating income near that now. How can they are confused because event area and as a building public for public events be no more far high for public event. How can they generate income? Mother, we a simple basic economics because so first so baby and we say events now so could be a tech no tech auditorium I yes I did be a university student who per se is now acquire and near a delay near a cap raising cost near that they say they don't have to go anywhere to hide in the place. No one say Manhyia no my yomadi. And I think about it, Manhyia Palace knows was a museum in itself. And people don't know how far Asante history and Asante as a kingdom and Asante as an institute, Asantehene, Manhyia Palace as an institution, how famous and popular it is, in the world. Among for people traveling to Ghana, they want when they land in Accra, they want to come to Kumasi and go to Manhyia Palace. And it will generate tour near the or make my critique be to say souvenirs about say be a key chains, so car chains now normally on picture editorial no picture no aye key chains no t-shirts no caps no near the they can create caps, some cup drinking cup near the Manhyia editorial no picture image in that one. People buy and that can generate income. It's simple economics. So tourism near that, yeah, it can attract money near that. People will come there, they spend money. To spend money. That's how I generate. It's a simple economic thing. What you want as well confused? Say how can the auditorium generate income without renting it out for hire near that? The master won't take basic simple economics. I say, and whether it's true or not, no. The question, the point is, what she done is it's it was sit there and and stand the test of time, and that is more important, that is more relevant. What should I say? Leadership, contemporary leadership is not based on casa, any fanfare, any circuits. It's about action, practicalism, pragmatism, and that is what Otumfuo has done. I don't want to be hypocrite. As a leader, no, and any man you be obey a decision be yeah, there's sometimes you have past times you are you disagree with him, but yeah, no, and I'm a proud Asante, son of Asante. I'm proud of it. What shows say yes, it's a world class ultramodern facility, and it's good for Manhyia Palace, it's good for Kumasi image and everything, and that's a good one, and it serves a practical purpose. It's very, very important. And sanity, teacher, hate Asantehene Asantema there, they will still do it. And it doesn't, who cares? Will be, who ni who who life won't into the sanity. Yeah, there's certain ways in your legitimate criticisms, there is okay, but when was see, why are they? Government now, Bible, Sika, a tool. So many see buildings near the end but at the end of the day, no building no abandon. Another government grab baswa on to us. We have a lot of stories, all too familiar stories across the country. Open government projects abandon years back because succeeding government about official way now starting to want to us. So starting fanfare can see near the day. Afrin nipa bebre about abebobon twene no ni adade nso nkosi hwe. That's what they do. And I hope that from now on people will emulate. They will look up to Asantehene, which is what is it? That is what Asantehene and I say Asantema represent anyway. And also do what Asantehene has done. Not auditorium cry can be something else. And that's a good thing. So we show pragmatic leadership. Same thing at Confanochi Hospital, which is one of the major trauma centers, like I said, a 7 northern sector, and near than so here. Ubekoni ni party da form no near that day. It is so okay, especially many the he cry and say the so-called pastors no omuye a friend say fake pastors no charismatic church near that. Roman Methodist near so hospitals near that day, and the schools near that. You must traditional churches no make me can't the latter day churches no salvation church near there. Fake pastors ni preachers now. Jiska billions of cities near that to total casa kasi. You know manu see they invest in a yenso Confanochi and the Dahosa it take Otumfuo and or started say or mobilizing funds say the beya or build or renovate and also be yeni. That is what leadership action leadership means, pragmatic leadership means. I know say it won't stop here. It won't stop at the auditorium. Otumfuo will go forward and do a lot of things at the tail end of his regime, and I say his kingdom and his reign, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing for Asantema and a good thing for Ghana. It's good for tourism and everything. Now, and I can say I hope so. Past government, the present government. So, to me, yes, I did be a ye de deal. Ye de dre no ni ade say obi eso obi de yi se so ba be cheddar na say o say or person or the or yentuma na omtuma my president or the yi be ba your friend say obe dredge some the rivers no sea as a day now when I catch you say sea one of the problems facing Ashanti region near there. And I say Ghana already the cry see no war kitano near there cry ye hu kwan be fa so a e betima preventing from taking over the lands, and I say because most of the land here low lying area, below sea level, Et you who can't grab a bit more prevent you from, getting rid of those settlements in that area. Near Sandy Biaba, Asante region. Now, when I catch you, say, now, when canal almost build there, yeah, it can maybe possible, but guess what? It would take a lot of capital intensive and labor intensive too. Both of these, building a canal is the SO say, me first a ton on me pranuma, and no bit my dredge it, maybe I've said big, cruise bit my cruise ship near the day, and no name. Be I bet my ba kakra. They say, what they back Kumasi? That's crazy. Now, let me see Atlanta, Atlanta, a landlocked city. And so guess what? Omu major seaport in Atlanta, and that's the state of Georgia, major seaport, Savannah, normally at the international seaport. But guess what? Because good transportation system, to say roads, good road network, railroad, ni asani money. Ship no be doku freight no acha any be one day kura na ne money nyina ba Atlanta. That's what it is. That's what Kumasi needs. You need first class roads network. And that's a Ghana first class road network system and railroad. And then Ghana yenyepo. I mean, come on. Say Ghana for no my juna ni me say mun kwasa Asantehene no mom practical leadership. Nyanum Joe. Now, per se, governance, no, because governance, and your castle. And I said, there's a difference between talking, campaigning, and governing. So, it's so easy. It looks so easy. But so, the power and the more now be transferred. Now, we say, governance, quite big, there's a big difference. A veritable chasm between governance and campaigning. That is what it is. I'm for German and Cassan, you. We are no community and I make us so Biaba no kind of somebody. A poor back Masina, Metrase, you bet dredging near that. The Dubai itself, no. They're part of Arabian South Peninsula, and the peninsula is himself put no near the Adikantio, or no more, or may a little bit closer to, water, body of water, and yet dredging, is easy for them. So, unlike Kumasi, and when you identify only problem, Kumasi problem, no, and you're part of that problem, no. And that's what is confronting Ghana as a nation, and yet see a dredging apple, and your good road network system, good high class, it's a first class road network. Senka, what say, me for Atlanta, Virginia, bear over bear 900, bear, wherever miles, 700 miles as a say. Acha one day no, acha Belfast 6-7 hours in Medro. And so we got tamale, no near the idea from Kumasia. Why we 2 days as a pagana on road. And it's that's what we're talking about. Good road network system, yeah, po. So let me say, practical idea, some say freestyle, I talk about a range of issues. Me say, for Asantehene has introduced a world-class auditorium at Manhyia Palace, and the haters of Asantehene are there silent and confused because we took for us so all year one year day one one bottom ska and the anti on the year sa pepe anti sa say yes ya free pension say baba year you see it me koto acha betuma 3 man no banda project no so me agi hu ska ye ho mama contractors me ada no ma gigi ska say ye nyeska kurenti o mo kanti no mo jai. That's not what leadership means. If you want a practical, pragmatic leadership, just look or watch what Asantehene had done. I know say other traditional areas, outside Asantehene kingdom and outside Asante, they will emulate. They will look at what Asantehene has done. So project it may not be necessary auditorium, but something. That's how we do. Competitive, healthy competition is good. And to come on, one more time. We Africa Professor 1. Subscribe, share with friends and family. And I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.